Prompts in Chat-GPT. Writing good prompts in Chat-GPT is a bit of an art form. The goal is to provide the tool with enough context to generate accurate and relevant responses. Here are some tips to help you write effective prompts. Be specific. Provide as much detail as possible in your prompts. This can include specific keywords, relevant facts, and any other information that might be useful for the tool to generate accurate responses. Be concise. While it's important to be specific, you don't want to overwhelm the tool with too much information. Keep your prompts concise and to the point. Be natural. Write your prompts in a way that's natural and conversational. This will help the tool generate responses that sound more human-like. Use correct grammar and punctuation. Make sure your prompts are free of grammatical errors and typos. This will help the tool understand what you're asking and generate accurate responses. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and approaches. This can help you find the best way to get the results you're looking for. Reverse prompt injection. Reverse prompt injection is a technique used to generate more specific responses from Chat-GPT. The idea is to provide the tool with the desired response, and then work backwards to create a prompt that will generate that response. Here's how it works. Start with the desired response. Begin by writing out the response you're looking for. This can be a full sentence or just a few keywords. Next, work backwards to create a prompt that will generate the desired response. This might involve providing the tool with specific context or information that will help it generate the response you're looking for. Test and refine. Once you've created your prompt, test it out and see if it generates the desired response. If not, go back and refine the prompt until you get the results you're looking for. Reverse prompt injection can be a powerful tool for generating specific and accurate responses from Chat-GPT. It takes a bit of trial and error, but with some experimentation, you can get the tool to generate the exact responses you're looking for. In conclusion, writing good prompts in Chat-GPT is essential for achieving accurate and effective results. By being specific, concise, natural, and grammatically correct, you can provide the tool with the information it needs to generate human-like responses. And by using techniques like reverse prompt injection, you can generate even more specific and accurate responses. So go ahead and experiment, have fun, and get creative with your prompts in Chat-GPT.